आज इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं थिंग्स अबाउट बैंकिंग जॉब दैट यू मस्ट एंड यू शुड नो बिफोर एंटरिंग इनटू वन। तो मुझे लगता है कि कई सारे लोग बैंक एग्ज़ाम्स की प्रिपरेशन करते हैं, लेकिन उनको पता नहीं होता है दैट व्हाट इज़ द वर्क कल्चर, हाउ बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री हैज़ चेंज टुडे एंड हाउ बैंक एम्प्लॉयज़ आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू वर्क। सो आई वॉन्ट टू प्रेजेंट अ वेरी बैलेंस्ड व्यू इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ऑल सो दैट आप एक और ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्म्ड और एक और ज़्यादा अवेयर डिसीजन ले सकें। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो आई स्टार्ट विद द पॉजिटिव्स ऑफ अ बैंक जॉब। सो जो सबसे पहला पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट है दैट द सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस टेक्स वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम। तो अगर जब से नोटिफिकेशन आता है तब से लेके फाइनल रिजल्ट तक इट हार्डली टेक्स 6 months। सो बेसिकली जो एलिजिबिलिटी है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी सिंपल। एनी ग्रेजुएट, यू कैन बी अ बी टेक, यू कैन बी एनी अदर साइंस और कॉमर्स और ह्यूमैनिटीज़ ग्रेजुएट and you are eligible for a bank job. So it does not require a professional or a very MBA or something like that. Although there are specialist officer vacancies as well, but that is a completely different thing. We are just talking about bank POs and associate work profiles. So basically काफ़ी सारे लोग होते हैं जो eligible हो जाते हैं. So if you are a graduate and you are looking for a stable work option, stable job with a nice salary, so bank job is an ideal job. लेकिन इसका कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन क्या है? कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन ये है कि आज बैंकिंग जॉब वो टिपिकल 10 से 5 वाली जॉब नहीं है, स्पेशली इफ़ यू आर ज्वाइनिंग एज एन ऑफिसर। सो दीज डेज बैंक एंड बैंकिंग सेक्टर हैज़ इवॉल्व डायनेमिकली। देर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन। इवन इफ यू आर कमिंग इन टू अ पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक, you face competition from other public sector banks as well as from private sector bank. So basically there is always a pressure on you from the management to perform better, to get more business. Also these days बैंक का मतलब सिर्फ अकाउंट खोलना या लोन देना तो है ही नहीं. You have to sell insurance products also. You have to do cross selling. So that culture is also increasing because now bank is not just bank, but bank is a place where we are providing complete financial solutions to customers. So now these days customers have also become aware and smart. They also want to understand better. So you need to address their queries in a much better way, right? There are many times when customers might ask you several questions. There are so many products of a bank. ठीक है, हाउसिंग लोन के ही 3-4 वेरिएंट्स हैं, कार लोन के इतने सारे वेरिएंट्स हैं, एजुकेशन लोन है, फिर मुद्रा लोन आ जाता है, एसएमई लोन्स आ जाते हैं. सो कस्टमर्स विल आस्क so many questions and you are expected to reply to all those questions. You are expected to increase your customer base. अगर आज के दिन में आप देखेंगे हर किसी का बैंक अकाउंट है, but to give them the service that they want or to make them the customer of your bank, it is a very challenging task. क्योंकि आज पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक से हट के प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक्स भी हैं जो काफ़ी अच्छी सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं. सो इट इज़ अ चैलेंज फॉर ऑल द पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स टू कीप इंक्रीजिंग देयर बिजनेस. The second positive point of a banking job is contacts. So when you work as a banker in a particular place, आपके बहुत सारे contacts बन जाते हैं. Staff तो है ही, साथ में you will get to interact with a number of customers who are coming from different backgrounds. So there will be contractors, there will be businessmen, there will be teachers, doctors, so you'll get to interact with a lot of people जो कि अलग अलग बैकग्राउंड से आ रहे हैं. तो इस वजह से आपके कॉन्टैक्ट्स बहुत सारे बन जाते हैं. सो इन द टाइम ऑफ नीड आप किसी से एडवाइस भी ले सकते हैं और किसी को सजेशन भी दे सकते हैं. इसी का एक नेगेटिव चीज़ ये है कि इन दिस एरा कस्टमर्स हैव बिकम मोर एंड मोर डिमांडिंग. तो उनकी जो डिमांड्स हैं वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हैं और उन्हें पता है कि आज मार्केट में इतने सारे बैंक्स अवेलेबल हैं जो सेम सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. सो कस्टमर्स कई बारी गुस्सा हो जाते हैं या आपकी कंप्लेन कर देते हैं एंड देन यू हैव टू गिव एन एक्सप्लेनेशन टू दैट. सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ चैलेंज. The third challenge is home posting. So in the majority of the cases, you do not get home posting in a bank job, and also it is a transferable job. So you are almost moving in every 3 to 5 years. So initially, actually, it looks appealing to some people that they're exploring different places, but eventually in life, the stability is disturbed. Maybe you start liking a place, but then you have to suddenly move to another place, so it becomes a challenge. Although bank is paying for all your transportation and other expenses, but still it becomes difficult when you have to move and again. So that is the fact. Also, there are certain circles which are always very crowded, like the Delhi circle. So it is very difficult to get Delhi circles, especially for boys. There are circles like the Bhubaneswar circle, which are comparatively less crowded, and you have much more chances of getting these circles. But people who are, for example, in my match, there are many people who belong to Odisha and they have got Bhubaneswar circle. But it is not necessary that they will get a branch near to their house. So this is another challenge, that if you are a part of a public sector bank, you have to move, you have to get transferred. The next challenge that has come up in the recent times is work life balance. Because as the work is increasing, as the expectation of the management is increasing, as the business and the target pressure is increasing, it has become difficult for employees to, uh, come home early, like at 5 or 6. It is just a dream, especially if you join into an officer profile. Your normal coming back home hours would be somewhere around 7:30 or 8:30 in the evening. And then it actually depends on what branch you're posted in. If your branch is a branch which experiences large footfall, so obviously वहाँ पे काम ज़्यादा होगा. Even if you're in a branch where there is a lesser footfall, you will be more pressurized to increase your customer base. तो बेसिकली बैंक जॉब को हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक कंफर्टेबल जॉब नहीं बोल सकते. यू आर ऑलवेज ऑन योर टोज, यू आर ऑलवेज अंडर प्रेशर एंड अंडर डिफरेंट टारगेट्स. सो इसके अलावा there are many positives also. For example, the promotion policy, you get actually fast promotions in banking sector. And banking is an industry where, if you see in the public sector banks, the chairman etc., they might have entered as probationary officers only, right? So for example, in SBI also, the current chairman, Mr. Dinesh Khara, he joined as a probationary officer. Mrs. Arundhati Bhattacharya, she also joined as a probationary officer. So basically, these are the places where you can actually get rewarded for your work and actually reach at the top. But the challenge to this is that you have immense internal competition also. जैसे कि अभी मैं SBI में ये एक्सपीरियंस करती हूँ दैट इन माई बैच सारे ही बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा टैलेंटेड हैं, सारे ही मेरे कलीग्स बहुत ज़्यादा टैलेंटेड हैं. देन यू हैव कॉम्पिटिशन फ्रॉम योर सीनियर्स, फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट बैच दैट वुड बी कमिंग अप. So internally also, everyone is not going to become the chairman. So internally also, within the bank, within the different departments, there is a huge competition. So you have to always keep on learning and learning, right? There are many people who think that once they clear the bank job, the learning actually stops. But that is not true, because as the government keeps on changing, there are new schemes which have been introduced. COVID came, there were so many new schemes which were introduced by government. So, how are those going to be implemented? Through banks only. So as a banker, you always have to keep yourself updated. Next important thing is that छुट्टियाँ. If you're posted in branch, छुट्टियाँ मिलना is a tough task, because you are actually posted into public dealing. So वैसे ही already the staff is limited. उसमें से भी अगर 2 या 3 लोग छुट्टी पे चले जाते हैं, तो public dealing करना with the remaining staff, it becomes a challenge. So it is not possible for the manager also to give leave to so many employees in one go. So there is actually a challenge for छुट्टियाँ and all, because the work pressure is actually a lot. But despite this, there are so many things that you learn as a banker, and when you actually get to help a lot of people. For example, जैसा मैंने कोरा में भी अपने एक आंसर में लिखा था that a lot of rickshaw pullers, they come to me, to get their work done or to ask their queries. So when I reply to their queries, the smile that they give, the respect that you earn, that is like something that gives you motivation to continue with your work and to keep the good work up. Right. So, although 70 to 80% of the people that you will meet as customer or as staff, they will be good. But you will also have to deal with some customers who will not be that cooperative or supportive. And once a customer, complains against you, so it becomes very difficult to defend yourself. Because at times, actually, there are some technical issues जिसकी वजह से maybe you were not able to give the customer what he or she wanted. And RBI and all, they have so many complaint management system. Even in every bank, there are internal complaint management systems also. So once the customer complains, you are answerable. So no matter how good an employee you are, if a customer is complaining against you, you will have to be answerable. So if you're a person who is not very extrovert, या फिर जिसको ज़्यादा लोगों से बात करना पसंद नहीं है, उनके लिए ये एक बड़ा चैलेंज हो सकता है टू इंटरेक्ट विद कस्टमर्स, बिकॉज दिस इज़ वन थिंग दैट यू विल बी डूइंग होल डे, राइट? सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट कि बिफोर एंटरिंग इन टू अ बैंक जॉब आप सारे प्रोज एंड कॉन्स को अच्छे से वे करें, बिकॉज अदरवाइज आई सी अराउंड दैट देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु हैव बिकम बैंकर्स बट दे आर हाईली डिससेटिस्फाइड नाउ, बिकॉज उन्होंने जो बैंक जॉब को एक्सपेक्ट किया था ये वो है ही नहीं. सो दैट इज़ वाई no matter what profession you are choosing or what studies you are choosing, you have to actually wait and look it from a very balanced perspective. Take opinion from people. I think हर किसी के घर में कोई ना कोई फ्रेंड या रिलेटिव तो होगा ही जो बैंकर है. You can take advice from people who are in public sector bank as well as people who are in private sector bank. Because private sector में always people say that it is better to work in a public sector bank because there you have job security. But these days government is again and again coming up with privatization and disinvestment and all. So that thing no longer stands for public sector banks also. आज job security है, कल नहीं भी हो सकती है. ऑल्सो प्राइवेट जॉब में कई चीज़ें होती हैं जैसे कि ट्रांसफ़र्स वहाँ पे नहीं होते, बट पब्लिक सेक्टर में आप कॉन्टिन्यूसली आपको ट्रांसफ़र किया जाता है. So, I think that you should give it a thought and then only decide कि आपको सच में बैंकर ही बनना है या नहीं. पीयर प्रेशर में आके या आसपास देख के कि हाँ रिज़ल्ट जल्दी आ जाता है या कंपैरेटिवली इजी है बाकी एग्ज़ाम्स के कंपैरिजन में, तो कई लोग ये डिसाइड कर लेते हैं कि यस वी जस्ट वांट अ जॉब, कोई भी जॉब मिल जाए, बैंकर की ही जॉब मिल जाए. और जब हम ऐसा सोचते हैं तो जब वो जॉब हमारे हाथ में होती है देन वी रियलाइज़ कि यार ये तो बहुत ही बेकार जॉब है, ये तो हम कर ही नहीं सकते. सो डोंट डू दिस. टेक एन इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजन. कीप आस्किंग द राइट क्वेश्चंस दैट you should actually ask. So thank you so much for staying tuned. Please subscribe to my channel and like the videos and share it with relevant people. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.